Right, this just arrived. I needed a new USB-C 65-watt charger to charge my Windows Surface. Now this does say for laptops, tablets and phones, so we're going to find out, because I'm using an ordinary USB-C plug, and while I'm working on video editing, it's decharging instead of charging. It's not powerful enough. So we're going to get this opened up and see if it charges and provides more power while I'm in the middle of the editing process. And if it actually charges a phone or other devices at the same time, that would be very handy. Okay. Good for travel as well, because then I wouldn't need to bring my Windows Surface power lead. Okay, let's get that plugged in and up and running. Just in case you were wondering, it didn't come with any USB-C cables or USB-A cables in the box, as you saw. So right here we've got a 60 frames per second video just opened up in CapCut, and the little spinning dial it's rendering it to a proxy clip, so it's easier to edit. When I do this, it uses a lot of power, so this is the perfect test. Now we're going to move over to the power and see if it's going up. Okay, I put the screen brightness right up and the power level is increasing, so the plug is delivering more power than the computer is using, which beats my previous non-PD power delivery plug. So very good plug. All right, so next up, I'm actually going to render a file, a test file at 60 frames per second, which is very power hungry. The CapCut is also rendering that other clip into a proxy file. So it'll be good to see if the power then still goes up while these two big actions are going on. Currently at 63% at 1247. Okay, there we go, we're already at 64. So the power is still going up with two very energy hungry actions happening. Okay, we're really going to push the plug to the limit now. I've plugged in my newer V-mount battery portable power unit, and that's being charged by the plug, and the computer is also rendering a 60 frames per second file and rendering a proxy file. Lots of energy going through this plug. Now to see if the percentage on the computer, the PC, keeps going up, let me lift you. At the moment it's at 65%, it's at 12:51 PM. So if that hits 66 relatively soon, we'll know just how good it is, or whether it holds steady or goes up or goes down even. There we go. The PC just went up 1% to 66. That took about, what, 60 seconds? 2 minutes, maybe 60 seconds. So it is all that energy coming out of the plug and everything's going up. It's managing to cope with all of the power demands. An absolute bargain price and a really good product now that my power plug for the PC isn't working. Now, just while we're here, let's see how long it takes for the V-mount power battery to go up to 77%. Here it is. Okay, that didn't take too long at all. This is a very big battery, so it does take longer to go up, but that's very impressive to get 1 or 2% out of that so quickly. Right, yeah, I've got the plug I need. It absolutely does the job, and I'm happy for what I paid for it.